Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Math with Sir Kiko. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss on how to round decimal numbers to the nearest thousands. This should be grade 5, quarter 2, week number 5, day number 3. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's go. So today's lesson, we're going to discuss the quarter 2, week number 5, day number 3, round decimal numbers to the nearest thousands. So at the end of the lesson, you should be able to round decimal numbers to the nearest thousands. So in steps in rounding decimal numbers, the first is you're going to determine the place value of the underlying digit. Okay, so you need to determine the place value of the underlying digit. Next is you need to look at the digit at its right. If it's less than 5, round down. If it's 5 or more than 5, round up. Okay, you need to plus 1. Okay, and then let's have the example. So round the given number to its underlying digit. So for number 1, we have 678 thousandths. So the underlying digit is 7. So look at the digit to the right of 7. This should be 8. So what do you think? It is round up, greater than or equal to 5, round up, or less than or equal to 4, round down. So what do you think is the answer? Answer is greater than or equal to 5, round up. So you need to plus 1. So therefore the answer is 68 hundredths. So you need to add 7 plus 1 because it is round up. Okay, another example, we have 6 and 346 thousandths. So the underlying digit is 3. So look to the digit to the right of 3 is 4. So that would be tens place, the underlying digit. So look at the digit to the right, it is 4. So if it's greater than or equal to 5, round up, or if it's less than or equal to 4, round down. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer is round down because it is less than or equal to 4. Now, what do you think is the answer? The answer is 6 and 3 tenths or 6 and 3 thousandths. Okay? Now, we have number 3, 31 and 8,465 ten thousandths. So, the underlying digit is in the thousands place. So, look at the digit to the right of 6. The answer is 5. Now, it is greater than or equal to 5, round up, or it's less than or equal to 4, round down. So, the correct answer is greater than or equal to 5. So, therefore, we need to plus 1. Okay, so again, if it's round up, you need to plus 1. Or if it's round down, it's retain the original number. So, therefore, the answer is 31 and 847 thousandths. Okay, next, we have 41 and 8,495 ten thousandths. So, this should be in the tens place. Now, look at the digit to the right of 8. The answer is 4. It is greater than or equal to 5. It's round up. Or less than or equal to 4, round down. Okay? So, what do you think is the answer? Correct. The answer is less than or equal to 4. So, therefore, the answer must be 41 and 84. It should be 84. This 41 and 8 tenths. Rather, 41 and 8 tenths. So, remain the digit 8. No need to plus 1. Okay? Number 5. We have 7 and 8,495 ten thousandths. So, the digit, underlying digit is in the thousands place again. So, look at the digit to the right of 9. The answer is 5. Now, what do you think? It's greater than or equal to 5? Round up. Or less than or equal to 4? Round down. The correct answer is correct. Greater than or equal to 5. Round up. You need to plus 1 to 9. So, therefore, 9 becomes 10. Since we have 10, you need to plus 1 to the next place value, 4. So, 8, 4 becomes 5. Okay, and then copy 8, and then the whole number 7. So, we have 7 and 85 thousandths. Okay? Now, to enhance your skills, you need to answer this guided practice. Try to answer number 1, okay, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Comment down your answer in the comment section. You need to round the following decimal numbers to the nearest thousands. Okay, comment down your answer. Okay, so the correct answer for number 1 is 5 and 679 thousandths. For number 2, correct, the answer is 123 thousandths. Then for number 3, we have 9 and 877 thousandths. For number 4, correct, we have 4 and 5 tenths, or 4 and 500 thousandths. And then we have for number 9, we have 10 thousandths, or 1 hundredths. Okay, so that would be the correct answer. Okay, next. So take note, in rounding decimal numbers, all you need to do is to determine the place value of the underlying digit. Then look at the digit at its right. If it's less than 5, round down. If it's 5 or more than 5, that would be round up. Okay, so in real life situation, let's try to answer this one. So among the following contestant, the athletes jump. Okay, so that would be not the appropriate problem. So try to practice your skills to the following example. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So try to answer to the nearest thousands. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you and God bless everyone.